Do you know many people are having trouble with their KitchenAid's ice and water dispenser? Don't worry. In this video, we'll show you how you do this. Let's start. Step 1. Check water supply. Ensure the refrigerator is properly connected to a water supply and that the supply valve is fully open. Check for any kinks in the hose that might restrict water flow. Step 2. Inspect filter. Examine the water filter for clogs or improper installation. Remove the filter, try the dispenser again, and see if the issue resolves itself. Step 3. Close doors. Make sure both the refrigerator and freezer doors are closed securely. The dispenser will not work if the left refrigerator door is ajar. Step 4. Check power. Confirm that the refrigerator is plugged in and that the circuit breaker hasn't tripped. Toggle the control settings to ensure they are turned on. Step 5. Control settings. Ensure the refrigerator isn't set to showroom mode. If the display is unresponsive, wake it by touching any control button. By following these steps, your KitchenAid's dispenser should be working smoothly again. Still need help? Visit our website for the complete manual. There you will also find questions and answers from other KitchenAid users. Did you find this video helpful? By subscribing, you help us continue to answer users' questions. So, subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.